the next page, we're going to talk about properties of real numbers. Right. The ones that you guys should recognize is distributive. Okay, so distributive looks like so. Okay. How would I apply the distributive property? Well, for this one, nope, it's not y equals mx plus b. For this one, there's no like real solving it. What are you supposed to do with this 3 out front? Put it in there with x and also put it in there with 2. It goes to both of them. So now 3x plus 2. What this means is that I'm going to do the 3 times the x plus the 3 times the 2. You're doing 3 times both pieces. This becomes 3x, and this becomes 3 times 2, 6. This is what this would become. Okay, 3 parentheses x plus 2 would turn into 3x plus 6 because you're supposed to multiply this 3 by both numbers inside the parentheses. Okay, are we good there? Okay, now, commutative. What does commutative sound like? And how do we communicate? Right. I talk, you listen, and then we switch. You talk, I listen. That's what the commutative property means. It means to switch. So if I did like, oh, A plus B, what would be the commutative of it? B plus A. And that works for both multiplication and addition, meaning I could change these to multiplication signs, the plus signs to multiplication signs, and that would be the commutative property of multiplication. Now, the word associative, okay? For me, that sounds like the word how you associate. Yes, that's with me. Now, you guys will then go to where after you're done with this class? Yeah. And would you say hi, Ms. Murray again? No. Why not? It's a new group of people. And that's what associative means. Associative means like, oh, it's Miss Murray plus her students, but there's other teachers in the building. Right now, you guys are grouped with me. Now, when we apply the associative property, you're grouped with somebody else. This would then become A is me. I'm going to stay here by myself. And you guys are going to be regrouped with a new teacher. So associative is talking about how you group yourself with people. Okay? So
Well, so that first one would be associative addition.
Well, be careful because the A has a set of parentheses right here. This went A times X and A times Y. Which property looks like that?
Oh, so distributive.
This is E. This is distributive. My justification? Because I'm multiplying by A. We're multiplying by A and we're going through the parentheses. A times X and A times Y. Now, if we look at both sides of the equal sign, this is M plus A on the left, and it now became A plus M. Which property? Commutative property of addition. That's how we communicate. We switch back and forth. We know that because all that happened was that they switched places. Okay, we'll do a couple more, and then I'll have you guys practice them on your own. Now be careful, don't get tricked just because they use symbols here. What's happening right here, and then all of a sudden it turned over to that? That's still distributive again. Yep. And the operation that's occurring is they're actually multiplying that. So we know that this is occurring because they're multiplying again. So some of these are repetitive. Now if we look here, again, the equal sign splits it. What are they doing with this 8 to get 8 times 100 minus 8 times 5?
Associating.
Are they regrouping it?
Yeah. So it,
This one's regrouped, but if you're looking at number 4, it's multiplication again.
oh, I thought
Nope, I'm on number 4. Number 4 is E again. Because why? We're multiplying again. You can see that multiplying is occurring. All right, now if I look at 5, 5 is that grouping piece. You have 27 grouped with 36, but on the right-hand side, the 52 is grouped with the 27. Okay, does that sound like communication, or does that sound like association? Association, it's how we associate. First I'm with this group, and then I'm going to switch and I'm going to be with another group. Okay, so since the grouping changed from here to here, this is the associative property of addition. Why? Because the grouping changed. So I'm gonna, this is period 7-8.